So that's my car. I uncovered one car, and it's about 7 feet. And here's the blanket building. The snow is 3/4 of the way up the door, which is a 7-foot door. I've been doing this for 2 days now. Here's the gym. We uncovered the gym entrance. Yay. And into the sunlight. Mounds and mounds of snow. This one is every bit of about 7 feet high. Oh, maybe it's 6 feet. Hi, Smokey. Yeah. Look, I made paths for you. Yes. So I made paths through the yard that are about 3 feet deep for the tractor. So I can get wood. I still have to dig out the generator. Dug out the heat pumps already. Going up the side of the house. This is not drifting snow either. This is every bit of 4 feet deep. It's just plain old deep snow. There's the stockade fence, which is a 6-foot fence. And this snow is up to my chest. Waist and chest. Chest in some areas, waist in others. We are finished. This is we're going to get.